Hello and welcome to another macrocosm video. Did you know that when matter and energy collide, it can create spectacular celestial displays? On Earth, we witness this phenomenon through mesmerizing auroras and electrifying lightning storms that illuminate the sky. But what happens when such collisions occur in the vast expanse of space? Recently, a group of astronomers trained their sights on Lupus 3, a colossal interstellar cloud that serves as a birthplace for new stars. Using the dark energy camera DICOM at the ENCEF Morlab Cerro Tololo Inter-American Observatory in Chile, they captured stunning images of Lupus 3, which lies approximately 500 light-years away from our planet in the direction of the Lupus constellation, also known as the Wolf, a cosmic realm, teeming with celestial marvels and backdrop for some awe-inspiring clashes. At the heart of Lupus 3, nestled within its turbulent cosmic cradle, reside two youthful blue stars named HAR 5999 and R 6000. These stellar infants radiate intense energy, illuminating the surrounding vast clouds of interstellar dust and gas. In turn, these clouds reflect the stellar light, giving rise to enchanting reflection nebulae, an ethereal spectacle of light and color. In the case of Lupus 3, the energetic outbursts from the two fledgling blue stars have created a breathtaking blue reflection nebula dubbed Bernese 149. It is fascinating to note that HAR 5999 and R 6000 emerged from the dimly lit recesses of the Lupus 3 nebula. Despite being only a million years old, these two stars hold the distinction of being the oldest in the Lupus region. Unlike our Sun, which derives its energy from nuclear fusion, the primary energy source for these stars is gravity. Gravity exerts immense pressure on the materials within, causing them to compress and heat up. As a result, these stars accumulate tremendous energy capable of dispersing nearby gas and dust in gusts and giving birth to the resplendent Burns 149. The astronomers involved in this remarkable capture consider it an invaluable resource for studying regions of active star formation. Lupus 3 and its surroundings provide researchers with significant insights into the initial stages of star birth and offer a window into the intricate processes that shape the cosmos. Amazing fact: a massive cosmic blob called Lupus 3 spans the sky. From Earth, it looks as a massive blanket spanning a region that is almost the diameter of 24 moons. Numerous T Tauri stars, well-known young stars that will someday mature into fully fledged stars and consume material from Lupus 3, are housed there. And that's all for today. Hope you like this video. Stay connected to get more knowledge about the space. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.